Huizhou Cheng Feng Yuan Company Limited is one of the leading manufacturers and exporters. Since year 2003, our business has grown by leaps and bounds. Today we own a 32,000 square meter of manufacturing space, with a long history specializing in sports equipment and household storage racks. We have full product line form plastic injection department, metal cutting, bending, welding, stamping department, powder coating department, packaging department, and sewing department. With over 180 skillful workers, make sure our products high quality, low pollution for the shortest time and reduced cost. Welcome to visit our factory in any time. We will provide efficient and quality service, from product design, engineering supporting, quality control, manufacturing, logistics, financial to support your business. Win your market. Contact us right now.